Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Christmas gifts is probably one of the most exciting times of the year for kids, and finding the perfect present for the boys in your life aged 8 to 12 can be a delightful challenge, especially when you want to ensure it's something they'll truly love and engage with, sparking their imagination and providing hours of entertainment during the holiday season and beyond, making this Christmas unforgettable. Number 5. Shashibo DODECA Magnetic Puzzle Cube. Discover the Shashibo DODECA, a magnetic puzzle cube that offers over 100 incredible shapes. It's the perfect sensory fidget toy for both kids and adults, providing hours of screen-free fun and stress relief. Engage your creativity and focus with this unique toy. It's designed to stimulate your mind, build creativity, and offer a calming, quiet activity for all ages. With more than 100 combinations, it helps improve working memory and spatial reasoning. Connecting and collecting different pieces enhances your understanding of geometric transformations. This is an ideal desk fidget toy for adults, perfect for reducing anxiety during busy workdays. It provides a calming distraction and helps quiet the mind. Collect and connect your favorite colors and designs with its 36 ultra-strong magnets. All pieces are compatible, allowing you to build your own Shashibo masterpiece with endless possibilities. It's a fantastic classroom must-have, offering a quiet and stimulating activity. This fidget toy helps channel restless energy, promoting focus and calming the nervous system. What we like. If you are looking for a toy that stimulates creativity and provides quiet, screen-free entertainment, this is it. Its ability to transform into over 100 shapes and connect with other cubes offers endless possibilities for imaginative play. It's perfect for kids who need a focus aid or a way to de-stress. What people say. The remote control is easy to operate, even for beginners. It comes with a variety of accessories, allowing for different play modes. The construction is sturdy and can withstand rough play. Number 4. Gskyer 70mm AZ Mount Astronomical Refracting Telescope. Embark on an incredible journey through the night sky. This telescope is designed for both budding astronomers and curious beginners. Experience breathtaking images of stars and the moon thanks to its superior optics. The fully coated lens ensures stunning clarity while protecting your eyes. Discover distant wonders with its versatile magnification options. Easily locate celestial objects with the included finder scope. Easily capture amazing celestial images and share your discoveries. Connect your smartphone and use the wireless remote for effortless shooting. Take your exploration anywhere with its adjustable tripod and convenient carry bag. It's designed for easy travel and storage. Begin your astronomical adventure with confidence. This is your perfect companion for exploring the universe. What we like. For the young aspiring astronomer, this telescope offers a fantastic entry point into exploring the cosmos. Its superior optics and included accessories make it easy to locate and view celestial bodies. If you want to spark a child's interest in science and the night sky, this portable telescope is an excellent choice. What people say. The remote control is easy to operate, even for younger children. The car is very durable and has survived several crashes without any damage. The lights and sounds add an extra layer of fun and excitement to the playtime. Number 3. Holy Stone HS-190 Foldable Mini Drone. This mini drone is designed for effortless fun. With simple one-click controls and exciting 3D flips, it's perfect for kids to enjoy flying right away. Enjoy a stable flight with altitude hold, and fly in any direction with headless mode. It makes flying easy and worry-free for beginners and kids. It offers 3 speed settings, low, medium, and high. This allows kids of all skill levels to have a customized and enjoyable flying experience. Safety is a priority with propeller guards protecting little hands. An emergency stop feature ensures it lands quickly, minimizing any risk of damage or injury. Its incredibly small and foldable design means you can take it anywhere. It fits easily in your pocket, making it a perfect companion for trips and parties. Looking for a cool gift? This drone is an ideal indoor or outdoor toy for kids, boys, and girls, offering hours of entertainment. What we like. If you need a drone that's easy for beginners and kids to fly, this mini drone is a great option. Its user-friendly features like altitude hold and headless mode make flying a breeze. Its compact, foldable design means you can take the fun anywhere, making it ideal for on-the-go entertainment. What people say. The remote control is easy to operate. The car is very durable and has survived several crashes. It comes with extra batteries, which is a nice bonus. Number 2. Brightz HoopBrightz LED Basketball Hoop Light. Transform your nighttime basketball games with this amazing light. Its weather-resistant LEDs ensure the fun never ends, even after dark. Perfect for any outdoor basketball hoop. Experience the thrill of scoring with sensors that trigger vibrant light patterns for every swish and rim shot. It's a multicolor celebration that brings extra fun to your game. No tools are needed for a magical setup. The attached battery pack and included ties make it simple to light up your basketball hoop in minutes. Keep the game going all night long with a battery pack that powers the excitement for over 12 hours. It ensures the energy stays alive as long as you are playing. Looking for a gift for basketball lovers? This adds a dazzling twist to their game, making it an ideal present that combines sport, fun, and safety. What we like. For the young basketball enthusiast who loves to play after dark, this light-up hoop accessory is a game-changer. It transforms any nighttime game into a dazzling spectacle with sensor-activated, color-changing lights. If you want to add an extra layer of excitement and visual flair to their basketball practice, this is the perfect gift. What people say. The remote control is easy to use and the car is very responsive. It's a great toy for outdoor play. The car can handle rough terrain. The battery life is impressive, lasts for about 30 minutes of continuous use. Number 1. Opmind 8WD Gesture Sensing RC Stunt Car. Experience unmatched control with this hand gesture stunt RC car. Its intuitive motion sensing responds to your hand movements, executing thrilling stunts effortlessly. With its unique 8-wheel design, it conquers all types of terrain, offering an exceptional driving adventure. This is no ordinary RC car, it's a next-level driving experience. With real exhaust jets, captivating lights, and a sleek sci-fi design, it elevates playtime. Realistic engine sounds make you feel like you're commanding a high-performance machine. Built for awe-inspiring stunts, its unique wheel and arm design lets it drift and spin 360 degrees with ease. By simply adjusting the swing arms, you can switch between various stunts, creating an action-packed adventure. Take control in 2 exciting ways: classic remote mode or advanced gesture mode. The gesture mode offers over 10 unique commands, allowing you to execute incredible stunts with just a flick of the wrist. Featuring advanced stunt gesture sensing technology, it promises endless hours of excitement. It's the ultimate gift for boys and girls aged 6 to 12, as well as adults who are young at heart. It will keep you entertained year-round. What we like. If you're looking for an RC car that offers a truly unique and thrilling experience, this gesture-sensing stunt car is it. Its 8-wheel drive conquers any terrain, and the intuitive hand gesture control allows for incredible 360-degree stunts. This is perfect for kids who love action-packed play and want to feel like they're in command of a high-performance machine. What people say. The remote control car is very durable and has survived several crashes. It's easy for my 8-year-old to control, even with the complex maneuvers. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over 30 minutes of continuous play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.